Ever wonder why your food sticks or never gets that golden crust? Here's a chef's secret that could totally transform how you cook at home. Most people rush and toss food into a pan that's just barely hot. But pros? They wait a few extra seconds. And it makes a huge difference in taste and texture. When you heat your pan, don't just rely on the sizzle. Give it time to stabilize so the entire surface gets evenly hot for perfect cooking. Skipping this step means uneven temperatures. That leads to sad, stuck-on food and disappointing, pale results instead of a gorgeous sear. Here's what chefs do. Place the pan on medium-high heat and let it sit for an extra 30 to 60 seconds after it feels hot. Patience pays off. Test your pan by flicking a few drops of water. If they dance and evaporate quickly, you're ready. That shimmering look means it's go time. Add your oil and let it heat until it's just barely shimmering. Then add your food. The difference in flavor and texture will amaze you. Want restaurant-quality meals at home? Remember, a rested pan is a chef's secret weapon for perfect results every single time you cook. If this made your cooking better, hit like. Follow and subscribe to Chef Didn't Tell You for more secrets they keep in the kitchen. Comment "ready" if you're trying this. And share this with someone who needs to fix their cooking.